pleasure to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you too. Good to meet you. To meet you with lawyer Alisha.
Nice to meet you.
Greetings, gentlemen, and a good afternoon to you. My name is Alicia, and I play tennis for fun.
Greetings to you too. My name is Muhammad Dennis Haikal. I'm a lawyer, and I'm also a major of civil and political rights. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Greetings to you too. My name is Muhammad Zohaili Rosli. I work as a lawyer and I have major in tax law.
Greetings to you too. My name is Muhammad Iskandar and I work as assistant lawyer, and I also have a diploma in family law. Nice to meet you.
Yeah. So, gentlemen, let me explain my case. In May 2010, me, Alicia, I signed a contract with the National Tennis Club at the age of 15. The agreement held is that I would be paid for 10 years provided when I attend all the training and competition for the National Tennis Club. For the past 5 years, I've been loyal to the National Tennis Club, but then I've been offered a higher payment for my training and for the competition that I joined. So after 5 years with the National Tennis Club, I joined another tennis club, not national. So meaning that I've breached the contract. I've breached the contract because the contract agreement is that I would stay there for 10 years, not 5 years. So what should I do with that?
Okay, I have heard about your situation and you have called 3 of us, including me, 3 lawyers, to talk about your situation. We may differ from opinions, but let me state mine first. Okay, the first step is to relax. Keep in mind that most threats that you can get, like the contract gives you, and like the club that threat you to sue you. Usually the threats don't mean anything for now because they don't want to resolve this in a court, because to go to court they have to pay very high expenses, but that doesn't mean that you should just ignore it. You can resolve it by maybe doing another thing that maybe they want.
Wow, that's a very, very good suggestion. I might consider doing that. So, thank you, Lawyer Zhu.
You're welcome, Alicia.
Wow, that's a great suggestion from Lawyer Zhu. But my opinion is a little bit different from him. My original opinion is to suggest you or hire a lawyer, but you already hire a professional lawyer like us.
In my opinion, your next goal should be to understand why the club is upset. Once you fully comprehend their situation, you can identify the best solution possible. The best way to do this is to put yourself in the club's shoes. Ask yourself what the club is trying to accomplish and why the issues prevent them from achieving their goals. When you feel like you have a firm grasp of the club's situation, share your explanation with them to confirm or correct any details. I think that's all. But in my opinion, hope you can use perfectly.
Or, because you have breached a contract, you could simply agree to meet your full demands. But if this isn't the case, or you can't afford it, you can refuse to pay or negotiate a different settlement. A solicitor will negotiate on your behalf, and if required, just in case. Build a case to support you in a court.
Wow, that's a very good suggestion, Lawyer Danish. Because I can't negotiate, so I would love to have a solicitor to negotiate for me. So thank you for that suggestion.
You're welcome, Alicia.
Speaking of breaching the contract, you also have to know that you have to issue a sincere and authentic apology. Because when you messed up, the first thing that the club wants must be an apology. They understand that you are not perfect, and they expect you to take responsibility when you make mistakes. When dealing with stuff like this, your apology must be genuine. You have been with the club for 5 years and plus, 5 years plus, so they must know your personality. So they will know your insincerity or your intention with through the apology. If you are very responsible and authentic, they will know that you are trying your best to make things the right way.
Wow, that's a very, very good suggestion, Lawyer Zhu. I would love to hear more opinions from you, and I think I can consider using that suggestion to solve this problem. So thank you again. Thank you, gentlemen, for coming in today and giving this wonderful suggestion for me to make things better again. And I hope we will meet again in the future, not for my crime or anything, but for other purposes. So thanks again. Bye.